Hello everyone. Welcome to the course of C programming. I'm Aparna and I would be your course instructor for this entire course. We would be using terms related to programming often in the coming sections. So let us first learn why programming. In this lesson, you will be learning Factory of the Future. Why is programming so important? Let me start this lesson with a simple question. What do we do on computer? We play a video game. We search something on Google out of curiosity. We buy something on Amazon, watch a movie on Netflix, send an email, write a Word document, and many more such tasks to add to this list. Have you ever thought what exactly is behind all these tasks that make them to run so efficiently, like within few clicks? Yes, that is programming. Programming is nothing but writing a piece of code which consists of a set of instructions. Have a look at this image. It has various domains involved, such as machine analytics, augmented reality often called as AR, IoT sensors, computer vision, robotics, blockchain development, and much more. There are some domains such as unmanned trucks, modular equipments, wearables. They actually do not interface with the computer directly. But all these domains, some or the other way, are powered by software. Software is nothing but the use of programming. So programming is really important. Without programming, computer would do nothing. Literally nothing. Every task that gets executed on computer is due to the set of instructions, that is programming. Now what the programmer writes is called a source code. A source code is a set of instructions that tells a computer what to do. Let's have a quick recap. We rely on software in one or the other form. Various businesses, transportation companies, scientists, research labs, medical professionals, all of them rely on software in one or the other form. A source code is a set of instructions that tell a computer what exactly has to be done. Nevertheless, programming is important. In the next coming lesson, that is how computer works, we would be learning what is a programming language, types of programming language,